If you're looking for a male performance supplement that promises to boost energy, vitality, and testosterone, you've probably come across Zapply T1, but the real question is, does it actually work or is it just another hype product? Zapply T1 claims to pack 14 scientifically selected ingredients designed to support male health, including maintaining normal testosterone levels and improving overall vitality. And it highlights its third-party testing and 30-day money-back guarantee as proof of credibility. The formula includes ingredients like herbal extracts, amino acids, and minerals, all known in research to have some impact on male hormonal balance and energy levels. But the effectiveness depends heavily on dosage and individual response. On the surface, the ingredient list is transparent, which is a positive sign, and the supplement's marketing explains how these compounds are supposed to work together to support male performance, such as boosting energy metabolism, enhancing circulation, and promoting hormonal balance. In terms of actual results, users have reported mixed experiences. Some noticed a slight improvement in energy or stamina after consistent use, while others didn't feel a significant change, suggesting that it may not deliver dramatic effects for everyone. The taste, mixability, and ease of use are straightforward, and the company's 30-day money-back guarantee does provide some reassurance if you want to try it risk-free, though refunds may require following their return policy precisely. Ultimately, Zapply T1 appears to be a moderately transparent supplement with some promising ingredients, but it's important to manage expectations. It's not a miracle booster, and consistent results are not guaranteed for every user. If you're considering trying it, the decision should factor in both the ingredient profile and your own health goals, because while it may offer support in certain areas, the overall impact is likely to vary from person to person, making it neither a clear scam nor an exceptional breakthrough.